Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can update apps on your Huawei Mate X3. For that, you want to go to your app gallery and then go to your account, and then you have your app updates. I have 23 updates available, where you see the first 3 ones here, and when we click on it, say view more, then I accidentally installed an update for TikTok. Then we have all the updates available here. So we can say update all, or just look for one that we want to update. Let's say we want to update the Huawei Health update, then it's installing. Now it's just gone and we have 21 updates left. If you've done that, you can just go back and hopefully whatever was wrong with the app, or maybe you just got notifications that there's an update available. Maybe something didn't run as smoothly anymore. Hopefully that's fixed now. So that's how you can look for updates on your Huawei Mate X3. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, stream, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.